We need nature, and we know it. It provides the infrastructure that keeps us alive, and our global economy depends on it. It sucks carbon out of the atmosphere, provides clean water, regulates the climate, and grows our food. But nature is at risk, threatening our economy and the global financial system. Even a tiny speck of nature can turn our lives upside down. Just look at the COVID pandemic. That cost the global economy $27 trillion. Protecting nature would cost far less. Yet governments currently spend just $143 billion a year protecting nature. And worse, subsidies that harm nature are 5 times bigger. Little wonder that nature is disappearing so fast. With the right incentives and access to the right information, private finance can help change this. The Little Book of Investing in Nature shows how. It offers details of more than 40 financing mechanisms already being used to support nature. Investing in natural climate solutions, for example, can help reduce emissions and support biodiversity as well. The book shows how we can change our approach to finance to protect nature rather than harm it. After all, what's the point of a pension if, when it pays out, you're living in a wasteland and you can't breathe the air? If our pension fund invests in nature rather than harms it, this will pay dividends forever. Opportunities for investing in nature are appearing everywhere. Investors around the world are already exploring what can be done. Read the Little Book of Investing in Nature. It's your guide to financing life on Earth.